In this video, I'd like to give you options about solving problems. I'd like to break it down into a 7-step process. The first step is identifying what the problem is. Whose problem is it? Is it yours or someone else's? If it is yours, in what way is it impacting on you? How's it leaving you feeling? Who is it affecting? And what would you like done about it? In the second step, what I'd like you to do is figure out what are your options that you have to consider. The more, the better, but at least come up with 5. That will give you plenty to choose from later on. Once you have these options figured out, the next part of the process I'd like you to consider is what is the possible outcome of each solution that you focus on. There should be a good and a bad, and somewhere in between, hopefully. So for every problem, there should be at least 5 options that you can choose from, and then 3 outcomes. Something that's good, something that's not so good, and somewhere in between. The next bit of the steps I'd like you to consider is which solution best fits you, and choose it. Then after you've chosen which solution you'd like to go for at this point of time, or which option you'd like to go for, what I want you to do is map out each and every step that it's going to take to achieve that outcome for you. Don't miss any, just write them out succinctly, as best as you can see it. The next option that I'd like you to put down is a review time. When are you going to review each and every step? I'd like to make this weekly if I can, because then I'm making sure that I'm on track. And after you've been doing this for a while, make sure that you put in your calendar, or even better, your smartphone, a review date each month, just to make sure that you're taking each step each month. The last bit is to continue to review your plan and make sure that you're taking each and every step that you need to make sure it happens. Remember that setbacks are quite common when you're taking on problems. Make sure you have a bit of room to accept these setbacks, just to accept them and then to make a commitment to moving forward. This is the trick to making sure you review all your options and to overcome any problem that you may have in your life.